Hello my friends, I am back again. I have another pair of Merrells to show you. I'm quite excited about these, so let's get them open. We can check them out properly. So yeah, here we go folks. Here's a look at the Merrell Moab Speed 2's GORE-TEX, the GORE-TEX version of the Moab Speeds. So yeah, initially I wasn't going to buy any Merrell Moab Speed 2's, even though I did want some, because I couldn't justify spending £150 or £120 that I'd seen them on offer for. However, in the January sale, Next had these for £70, and I thought, well, I can't turn down the opportunity to get a pair for that price. At first I questioned, were they the GORE-TEX version or were they the standard version? But so I ordered them anyway. It said that they were a GORE-TEX version, and they've turned up, and they are indeed the GORE-TEX version. Now, it may be that this colour is probably not the most popular, but at the end of the day, I'm not that bothered about the colour. So let's have a look at them in detail. So I've seen other people, like I say, post videos, but they show the other colours. I've not really seen that many showing the Slate version. So we'll turn them around and you can have a look. So they've got Vibram soles, the full sideway sweep. It's got Float Pro, the GORE-TEX. But yeah, what do you think, folks? I think they look really nice. Let's do a little bit of information on these. Okay, so I apologise for my voice. It's a bit croaky today. So the Moab Speed 2 GORE-TEX is the latest innovation in hiking from Merrell. The new and improved generation of hiking shoes pairs the knowledge and trail insights from the best-selling hiking boot, the Moab. And I got to say, I actually love my Moab 3s. I think they're brilliant. I know there's other people that are not happy with them, and the build quality for the amount of walking that they do. I'm not sure how much I will use these. I will use them for hiking. I will use them for short trips out, and I will use them for the theme parks. I'll probably use them when I do my local walks, and then I've got my Moab 3s for when I'm doing more serious walking. So yeah, the latest innovations from athletic hikers across the globe. The trail rating on these on the Merrell website is moderate, made for trails with some obstacles and moderate debris, occasional speed, direction and vertical changes. So it has the Vibram TC5 Plus. So let's have a look at the bottom. So you get a look at that in close detail. To show you that in close-up detail. So it's got a flex plate and also GORE-TEX waterproof, as you can see. The weight per shoe is 350, so it's really light. It's much lighter than the Moab 3s. So it's got a padded collar. It's got bellow tongs to keep out debris. It's got protective and abrasion resistant synthetic heel and toe cap, as you can see. It's got dual heel and tongue loops for ease of entry, as well as being carabiner compatible. So you can attach it to a carabiner. It also comes with Clean Sport NXT treated for natural odour control. Float Pro. I already mentioned it's got the lightweight flex plate technology. It provides torsional rigidity, lateral stability and forefront flexibility. Obviously, I've already mentioned the Vibram TC5 Plus outsole. Gives you really good traction for outdoor multi-sport activities. And then Vibram traction lugs, specifically designed to increase traction and shred debris with each step. So apparently for comfort, these have a 30% increase in foam underfoot. So it actually, they are a lot more, they are very comfortable when you're walking in them. The traction, the lug's designed to increase traction and shred debris. The flex plate is here. This is the flex plate, as you can see. It's what provides the rigidity of the boots. These flex plates, they're the flex plates, you see. So if you're wondering about the design, that's what a flex plate is. So overall, I like the look of them. I've seen some people saying that they've bought pairs for work, to use them for work. I've seen people say that they've used them for walking the dogs. So if you've got dogs and you don't want a pair of hiking boots, I mean, you've got to think like the Merrell Moab 3s are a bit more intensive, I think, for hiking in. I tell you that I've had no problems with water ingress at all in the Moab 3s, and I have done some muddy walks, especially over the last month or two, and they've been perfect. They've not let any water in at all. I've seen some people moaning about water getting through on these speeds, so yeah, it'll be a bit of a test really to see if water does seep through or not. Hopefully it won't, because it's GORE-TEX, so it shouldn't. So apparently, from what people have said, these break in really quickly. Now, I know my Merrell Moab 3s, they broke in really quickly, and I think these will be exactly the same. So they shouldn't take a lot at all to break in, probably within a few walks. I think the thing is with these, they are super light. Yeah, and I think if you are just wanting a pair for walking your dog, then definitely look at these Speed 2s, because they are lighter than the traditional Moabs. They are very comfortable, and they do have great cushioning and arch support from what people have said. That's it, folks. I just wanted to show you the boots. I am going to test them out properly, go for a couple of walks, and yeah, just thought I wanted to show you them in slate colour. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. That would be absolutely awesome. And yeah, next time I get a pair of trainers or boots, I'll give you a look. Thank you and goodbye.